And right now, Crystal is back with a recipe to share. Taryn is standing by now with more.
Yes, thank you, John. We're always excited for Wednesdays because that's when we have Common Ground here, and they have some awesome recipes. And this one is a berry salad.
Yes, it is super easy. It's perfect for Easter if you don't have a lot of time or you're traveling somewhere. And I first had this recipe, one of my cousin's wives brought it to my grandma's house for a family gathering, and they live in Lee. My grandma lives in Holdridge. So it was this perfect salad that they could just whip together right there. So it's very, very easy.
Okay.
First, we're going to add our Greek yogurt.
And it sounds like it's healthy too, right?
Yeah.
With some Greek yogurt, okay.
Yes, absolutely. And then we have our cheesecake instant pudding.
Oh, okay.
That we are going to mix together.
Perfect.
There's also a cheater. This is the cheater version, but there's if you want a more fresher tasting salad, there's a lot on the internet that calls for a block of cream cheese and some heavy cream and sugar,
Okay.
and then fresh berries. But what I just love about this, but it comes together in minutes, and you don't have to wash or cut any berries to go with it. So once this is stirred together, we are going to fold in our Cool Whip.
Okay. Just mix that together.
Yep. Mix it together. And then the last step, once that is incorporated, we're just going to add in our frozen berries.
Okay.
And like I said, super, super easy. But if you're hosting and you just need something super last minute, you can just whip this together. The berries will need to thaw, so they can thaw in the salad itself for about 10 to 20 minutes before serving. So.
And again, you can use fresh if you want.
Yes, absolutely. And berries are in season right now, so there's a wide variety berries to choose from. But this is, like I said, this is the cheater version. Everybody needs a little cheat in their life sometimes.
This is really good.
Yes, and I love the cheesecake flavor with it too.
I'm sure kids would like it too.
Yes, this is a recipe that's great for all ages. So yeah, perfect for holiday get-togethers or summer barbecue.
Yeah, great for Easter. Okay, thank you. And this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Back to you, John.
All right.